What if I told you there's a luxury sedan that not only turns heads, but also keeps your wallet happy long after the warranty expires? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the top 10 best and most reliable luxury sedans worth owning after warranty. Number 10. Lincoln Continental. Kicking off our list is a true American classic, the Lincoln Continental. While it may not have the same prestige as its German rivals, this full-size luxury sedan is built for comfort, longevity, and stress-free ownership. Under the hood, the 3.0L twin-turbo V6 pumps out 400 horsepower, making highway cruising effortless. It's smooth, refined, and surprisingly quick for its size. And with all-wheel drive available, it's a perfect year-round luxury ride. Inside, 30-way adjustable seats give you an almost custom-fitted experience, while the Revel Ultima sound system turns your cabin into a concert hall. Lincoln's quiet comfort technology ensures road noise stays where it belongs, outside. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike its European competitors that come with sky-high repair costs, the Continental's maintenance is refreshingly affordable. Thanks to widely available parts and simpler engineering, it won't leave you sweating over repair bills. It may fly under the radar, but for those who appreciate classic American luxury and stress-free ownership, the Lincoln Continental is a solid bet that keeps on giving. At number 9, we have the Infiniti Q70, a car that many overlook, but shouldn't. This luxury sedan combines old-school reliability with modern luxury, making it a fantastic option for those who want something unique and dependable. Under the hood, you get two choices: a 3.7L naturally aspirated V6, 330 horsepower, or a 5.6L V8, 420 horsepower. Unlike turbocharged European engines that can be costly to maintain, these Infiniti power plants are rock solid and built to last. Inside, the Q70 offers premium leather seats, heated and ventilated options, and a sleek, driver-focused dashboard. The Bose premium audio system provides crystal-clear sound, and rear passengers get generous legroom, perfect for road trips. But what really sets it apart? Longevity and low maintenance costs. Infiniti is Nissan's luxury brand, meaning parts are relatively affordable and widely available. This sedan avoids the high repair bills that often come with German rivals. If you're looking for a luxury car that delivers power, prestige, and reliability without European-sized maintenance costs, the Infiniti Q70 is a hidden gem worth considering. At number 8, we have the Volvo S90, a luxury sedan that proves style, safety, and longevity can go hand in hand. Volvo has a reputation for building cars that last, and the S90 continues that tradition. Under the hood, you'll find the T6 powertrain, a 2.0L engine that's both turbocharged and supercharged, delivering an impressive balance of power, 316 horsepower, and efficiency. Unlike some high-maintenance European rivals, Volvo's engineering is designed to be simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. Inside, the S90 welcomes you with a Scandinavian-designed cabin featuring high-quality materials, a minimalist aesthetic, and one of the most comfortable seats in the industry. It's packed with advanced safety features, and thanks to Volvo's Pilot Assist system, you get a semi-autonomous driving experience that remains cutting-edge for years. Maintenance? Lower than its German competitors. While Mercedes and BMW sedans often require expensive repairs, the S90 holds up well with reasonable service costs and excellent long-term reliability. So, if you're after a luxury sedan that stays stylish and reliable long after the warranty expires, the Volvo S90 is a perfect match. Number 7. BMW 5 Series. The BMW 5 Series is a legend in the executive sedan world, known for sharp handling, refined powertrains, and long-term value. While some fear German cars for their maintenance costs, the 5 Series is one of BMW's most dependable models, if you pick the right version. The 530i with its 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder, 248 horsepower, and the 540i with a 3.0L turbo inline-6, 335 horsepower, are both proven to be long-lasting when properly maintained. These engines are smooth, powerful, and surprisingly fuel-efficient for a luxury sedan. Inside, the 5 Series delivers top-tier comfort, featuring leather upholstery, a high-tech digital cockpit, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. BMW's iDrive infotainment system is one of the most user-friendly in the segment, and the adaptive suspension ensures a smooth, controlled ride. Here's the trick to keeping a 5 Series reliable. Avoid the V8 models with their more complex turbo setups. Stick to the 6-cylinder or 4-cylinder versions, and you'll get a car that's both thrilling and built to last. For those who want a luxury sedan that's engaging to drive and doesn't turn into a money pit, the BMW 5 Series is a solid choice. Sliding into number 6 is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a sedan that has set the gold standard for luxury and longevity for decades. While many luxury cars shine when new, the E-Class remains a class act even after years on the road. Under the hood, the E350 comes with a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder, 255 horsepower, delivering a perfect mix of efficiency and power. If you want more punch, the E450's turbocharged inline-six, 362 horsepower, offers silky smooth acceleration. Unlike some rivals, Mercedes-Benz engines are known for their durability when properly maintained. Step inside, and you're greeted with a lavish interior featuring premium leather, real wood trim, and a massive digital display that integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The Burmester premium sound system makes every drive feel like a private concert, while Mercedes' signature air suspension ensures an ultra-smooth ride. The best part? The E-Class holds up exceptionally well over time, thanks to high-quality materials and strong resale value. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that ages like fine wine, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a smart investment. At number 5, we have the Audi A6, a sedan that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology, refined luxury, and long-term reliability. Powering the A6 is a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder, 261 horsepower, in the base model, while the 3.0L turbocharged V6, 335 horsepower, in the A655 TFSI delivers effortless performance. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring year-round traction and confidence-inspiring handling. Inside, the A6 boasts one of the most high-tech cabins in its class. The dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system looks futuristic and responds instantly. The virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster gives drivers an ultra-modern interface, while the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system elevates the driving experience. Reliability? Surprisingly solid. While some German luxury cars suffer from high maintenance costs, Audi has improved its engineering significantly in recent years. Stick to regular servicing, and the A6 remains dependable for years. For those who want a luxury sedan packed with technology, elegant styling, and strong long-term value, the Audi A6 is one of the best choices on the market. At number 4, we have the Genesis G80, a luxury sedan that proves you don't need a German badge to get premium quality and reliability. Genesis, Hyundai's luxury division, has made huge waves in the automotive world, and the G80 is a prime example of why. Under the hood, you get two solid options, a 2.5L turbocharged 4-cylinder, 300 horsepower, or a 3.5L twin-turbo V6, 375 horsepower, both delivering smooth power and impressive efficiency. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most refined interiors in its class. High-quality Nappa leather, real wood trim, and a 14.5-inch touchscreen make it feel like a true executive car. The Lexicon sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while active noise cancellation keeps the cabin whisper quiet. What truly makes the G80 stand out is its exceptional reliability and lower maintenance costs compared to German rivals. Unlike BMW and Mercedes, Genesis offers a 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, ensuring peace of mind for years. For those who want luxury without the European price tag and maintenance headaches, the Genesis G80 is a game-changer. Cracking the top 3 is the Acura TLX, a sporty luxury sedan that combines Honda's legendary reliability with premium refinement. Under the hood, you get two engine choices, a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder 272 horsepower, or, for those craving more power, the TLX Type S with a 3.0L turbo V6 355 horsepower. The super handling all-wheel drive system enhances cornering performance, making this sedan as fun as it is reliable. Inside, Acura's attention to detail shines. The cabin features high-quality leather, a driver-focused cockpit, and an intuitive infotainment system. The LS Studio 3D Premium Sound System is one of the best in the segment. An accurate suite of safety features ensures long-term protection. The TLX's biggest advantage? Longevity. Acura, being part of Honda's DNA, inherits its bulletproof reliability. Maintenance costs are far lower than BMW or Mercedes, and used TLXs hold their value impressively well. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that's fun to drive, built to last, and won't drain your wallet in repairs, the Acura TLX is an unbeatable choice. At number 2, we have the Lexus LS 500, the flagship sedan that proves you don't need a European nameplate to experience ultra-luxury and durability. Under the hood, the 3.5L twin-turbo V6, 416 horsepower, delivers effortless power with silky smooth refinement. Unlike turbocharged German V8s prone to expensive repairs, Lexus engineering focuses on longevity and reliability. Inside, the LS 500 is nothing short of breathtaking. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and 28-way adjustable seats create a first-class experience. The Mark Levinson audio system provides crystal-clear sound, and the ultra-quiet cabin rivals even Rolls-Royce levels of refinement. But what makes the LS 500 stand out is its legendary reliability. Lexus builds some of the most durable vehicles in the world, and the LS 500 is no exception. Unlike Mercedes and BMW flagships, it doesn't turn into a maintenance nightmare after 100,000 miles. For those who want absolute luxury without the long-term headaches, the Lexus LS 500 is a masterpiece that will last a lifetime. Finally, at number 1, we have the undisputed king of long-term reliability, the Lexus ES 350. Powered by a 3.5L V6, 302 horsepower, the ES 350 delivers smooth, effortless acceleration while avoiding the complexity of turbocharged engines. Lexus' 8-speed automatic transmission ensures silky gear shifts, and the ride quality is plush, making every drive feel like a first-class experience. Step inside, and you'll find a luxurious, well-crafted interior featuring soft-touch materials, heated and ventilated seats, and a user-friendly 12.3-inch infotainment system. The Mark Levinson Premium Audio System offers concert-level sound clarity, and the rear seats provide ample space for passengers. But here's the real reason the ES 350 takes the top spot: its bulletproof reliability and low maintenance costs. Owners regularly report these cars lasting 300,000 miles or more with minimal issues. Unlike German luxury cars that become money pits over time, the ES 350 remains dependable and affordable to own. For those who want luxury, comfort, and worry-free ownership for years, the Lexus ES 350 is simply unbeatable. There you have it, 10 luxury sedans that stand the test of time. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. Thanks for watching.